Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you an unboxing and we can also test this out. This is a new product. Of course, I waited for long. I ordered this on December and today is March 7th. And finally I have received this product. It's you already know, it's a Wyze Doorbell camera. It's very small camera. And they said that it's gonna work really well. So I'm trying to replace my Ring doorbell with this Wyze doorbell camera. So you're gonna tell me if it's a good decision to do it, since it's a small, the cost is really cheaper for the device, as well as the plan for the cloud video storage. So that's why I decided to switch from my Ring to the Wyze doorbell camera. Is that a good decision or not? Just you tell me in the comment below. But we're gonna open this box and see what's included inside. They said it comes with the chime as well, and I paid $30 for this plus the shipping charge, whatever they charged me, like $5, something like that. Yeah. So let's see. The package was this, so that's how it came in. So let's see what we have inside. Okay. Alright, see how small the package is comparing to Ring device? Right, you can see it here. It's a Wyze video doorbell, wired doorbell with chime. So it comes with the chime itself, and you can see answer your door from anywhere. It's a 1080p video resolution, 3.4 view head to toe, night vision. 12-second clips is stored free in the cloud for 14 days. So that's the awesome deal, you know, like in the on the Ring camera you have to pay for no matter what the timing, the length, or even for a day, and like the motion detection, IP65 weatherproof, two-way audio, and person detection, and you need a subscription for that to detect the person. And here the wired doorbell with chime, so one doorbell and one chime. Includes a wall plate plus a wedge plus 4 wire caps plus 2 bracket screws, 2 screws and expansion tubes, 2 extension wires, fuse, 1 quick start guide, Wyze app, and existing doorbell wires required. Alright, it's really small box, as you can see in here, right? I can just fit in here, and this is my Ring doorbell chime. You can see how compared to only the chime itself is bigger than maybe the camera, I think. So let's open inside and see what's included in here. Here we go. Look what's right here. Probably this is a chime. Oh, okay. Look at this. This must be a chime. Look, compared to Ring device, the chime itself is really smaller than the Ring. You can see here there's a button. Probably you need to click on this button to connect with it, right? The Wyze button here. Let me focus this out here. Okay, yeah, you can see the button right here. The Ring has a button over here. Yeah, so yeah, pretty small, right? The chime. Alright, let's open another. Alright, let's open another package here. There's two stuff in here. Okay, one. Oh my god, can you believe this? Is this a doorbell? Maybe not. But it should be a doorbell on that size too, because another box is similar size. Maybe this is all the accessories included, all the screws you need it for your wall, and the bracket for your wall as well. So this is the bracket for your wall, and it comes with the screws, and there's instruction as well. There's the wire cap. There's a 4-wire cap in here, and there's a fuse in here that you're gonna connect with your current electronic doorbell with your current the fuse, maybe the transformer for your doorbell. You can use this. They will include all the instructions here. Let's see. Yeah, there's a starter guide. Make sure you check this out properly. There's all instructions over here, so you have to read all those instructions on how to connect your the Wyze doorbell with your current electronic doorbell, you know, so that you don't have to charge. Like currently I have a doorbell, this kind of doorbell from the Ring, where I have to charge the battery every time, and the battery works for maybe 2 months or 3 months, like that, depending on how you use it, right? So there's also another small box. Imagine the adapter is this small. How small the doorbell is. Looks like it's smaller than the chime, right? Alright, let's open it. Damn, this is gonna be a really small camera here. Look at this camera. This is a very small camera. You can see my hand. That's it. That's it, right? There's a button in here, and there's a camera. That's all. And the opposite side, you're gonna connect your the electronic wire in here from your front door. Yeah. Currently, they don't have the battery. The Wyze doorbell camera. If you don't have your built-in wire for your doorbell, then definitely you can't use this. Otherwise, it's perfect for you. You don't have to charge your Ring doorbell, like, you know, you charge your Ring doorbell, but this one you don't have to charge it. Yeah, there's a reset button in here. You're gonna have to you're gonna have to read all your instructions here from your quick guide. Then you will be able to set this up, right? Okay, the top hole is the microphone, and this is the lens, and the Wyze over here. Let me see if I can focus this. Yeah, the Wyze over here. Yeah, the Wyze over here. It's gonna lit the fill with the light, and the bottom is the doorbell button, right? And the back side, it's the reset button over here, and this is a terminal screws. And for the chime, this is the setup button, and this is a status light, and this is a speaker. I don't know how loud this is going to be, but yeah, they have given you the instruction on how to download the app into your Google Play Stores and Apple Play Store, App Store. And there's the installation without the wedge or installing with the wedge, and plug the Wyze chime into a outlet, right? They give you a fuse here. Remove the extra insulation at the end of the wire before connection. Extension wires and the fuse. There's 2 wires included in there, and they're gonna tell you all sort of things over here, right? Alright guys, now I'm gonna show you how I connect this, and we're gonna test this out, okay?